Okay, a Google search for blinds. Saw our logo on a NASCAR hood. Retargeting ad that was viewed. Search on a Google for the word shades. 4 unique ways a single customer found us last week, but what click holds the most value? So in online and e-commerce today's transactions have more than 30 touch points. The linear attribution model gives each channel in the shopper journey equal value. If there are 4 touches leading to a conversion, each touch point gets 25% of the attribution. Now this is only the first step in multi-touch attribution. It's a good way to kind of get your feet wet and go beyond Google Analytics, but the big caveat is still that it doesn't help marketers figure out which touch points are the most helpful in driving conversions. So is all of this starting to sound confusing? Well, you must be dumb. I'm joking. It's confusing for me too. Nobody said it was going to be easy. I'm still learning this myself. But when you start to figure out and spend time mastering this part of the game, you can truly scale to spending big money on advertising.